Y'all, you're probably wondering why I'm sitting in the dark. And that is because, a cricket just jumped on my foot. But the 420 will be home in any minute now. My dad just picked it up. I had to go to the school orientation. When it gets here, I'm going to wash it, change the diff fluids. I don't think he has any Lexus silicone, so I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow to reset the airbox. But I'm going to go ahead and trim the fenders tonight probably and put the 32s on and go ahead and get the airbox reset tomorrow. And sometime probably Tuesday or Wednesday next week, she will be going deep in the cruise again. I'm going to make a full video. I don't know if it'll be in this one or not. Y'all see when I make it. I just got to see what time I have time to do when the 420's back. But I just want to let y'all know. I'm really excited. I'm glad to be back. I'm probably going to drop it like we've been doing when I had the 420. One video a day, possibly two. I'm going to try and upload as many as I can a day because we got to get back in the grind and get subs up. So, yeah. I'll let y'all know when it gets here. Alright, y'all, it's back. I know it's hard to tell. I'm about to go into some light, but I started washing it. My winch broke somehow, I guess, from sitting and getting all that water in it. So, my champion winch is broke and my warranty done went out. I done tried everything to make it work, but it ain't budging. You used to not even have to turn it on. But now it won't even turn on. I don't know if it's the remote or what, but I'm about to try and reel it up. Probably just gonna leave it on there for now until I can take it off. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab a wrench and see if I can hand tighten it. So yeah, I'll let y'all know what happens from here. Y'all, I just completely took the winch off. As you can see, I took up the mount. I'm probably gonna leave it, but I got this thing decently clean. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get a, what's it called, freak jack. I'm gonna put the 32s on it. I might do a little bit of editing to the floorboards, and then tomorrow, once I put the 32s on, I'm gonna change the diff fluid and reseal the airbox, and then this thing will be ready to roll. It is running. It's running pretty decent. Gotta get it back to like how I want it though, before we start making videos with it. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on it probably all day tomorrow with the limited tools I have because my dad's got to work. But yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. I'll see y'all then. Peace out.